up, everyone? About to do cinnamon challenge for you guys. Oof. Oh damn. Alright, let's try this out. Might not be that hard, you know. It's kind of an old challenge, but you know, try to grab a spoonful within 60 seconds and not have a glass of water. See that? There you go. Let's begin. Ooh. Oh man. Oh man. I wasn't even able to finish that challenge. I felt like I was dying. That was the grossest thing. I don't know who invented this stuff. I don't know why I did it. Pretty stupid. Sorry about that. I was just puking up a storm. Oh man, chunks were flying and everything. I'm never doing powder spices or anything like that ever again. Only eating challenges because I love food, but you know, spices are good, but I ain't ever doing that again. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like and subscribe. It's a pretty dumb video. I was pretty much a wussy. But yeah.